Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have something different and interesting. I have some products from the company Nosherie. So Nosherie generally means good food, food that you like, eating food that you like. There is an app that is on iPhones. Now, I did try to research it. I can't find it on Android at all, but that's one of those things that probably, soon enough it'll be on Android. But it's an app that you download on your iPhone. And Laura from Food, Makeup, and Skin told me about this. She has a channel on YouTube, and she's much more involved on TikTok, but she shows a lot on YouTube. I'll put her below. She has a lot of videos. She has a lot of followers. She's very, very active on TikTok. She is a young person that knows about all this kind of stuff. And this was just a lot of fun. She just does a lot of fun stuff, and I'm like, well, let me try it. So I did, and what this app does, you put the app on your phone, and it shows you pictures of food. It asks you some questions. It asks you for your address. I don't recall if it asked for my phone number, but that doesn't bother me. So if it did ask me for that, I did put it in. But they need a mailing address to send you things. So you have to do that. So they show you things, food. It's all food. And you heart it and goes to the right, or you exit and it goes to the left. So it's a lot of different types of things. Things not your normal everyday food. It's vegan. There's vegan food. There's, I can't even think, healthy. There's healthy stuff. There's drinks. There's a lot of things I've seen before. Because I've been doing this for a few weeks now, and a lot of things I've not seen before. They have jerky, beef jerky, but then they have mushroom jerky. I don't know that I've ever heard of mushroom jerky. They have some chicken like cookies or something, some weird stuff like that. But it's supposed to be all fairly healthy things for you. It is interesting. It's just discover new and exciting foods, and you try snacks and drinks before you buy. So see, when you get your items, when you get your free boxes, and you go back in and you tell them what you think of your products, and then you can buy it if you want to. They send you right to a website where you can buy it, or they tell you where it's located near you. If it's in a grocery store near you. So it's sort of fun. So my first box that I got was just a couple of days before Christmas, and it was this box, and I was new to it, so I didn't open this yet, but here's some snacks. This is called Drizzlicious Cinnamon Swirl Bites, and these are with chia, quinoa, and flax. So that's what these are, and I'm going to open them and taste them. And it says you can indulge more because they're healthier for you. And then this drink was in there, and I had seen this drink before, this prickly drink. I've seen it before, and I've never tried it. This is cactus water, and this is prickly pear original. And you know what, y'all? This was really tasty. This is 40 calories for the whole can. It says there's no carbonation, there's no caffeine, it's just delicious. It was a refreshing water. I put it in the refrigerator, and it was really, really good. So that was called the first time box. So they showed 5 different boxes, but they only unlocked one, and it was the first time box. So I was able to get that. You have to get 7 out of 7. So how you do that is each day you go in and you rate the food based on what you think you will like, whether you will like it or whether you won't like it. And in 7 or 8 or 9 days, you get the number 7, and then they direct you to pick out a box. So let's see what this is about. Drizzle, I can't even speak. Drizzlicious. Let me see how I'm going to open it. I like that it says on it, indulge more. Whoops. The smudge is coming up, of course, since there's food. Oh, look at these. They look like rice cakes. They look like little rice cakes, okay? They smell really good. Yeah, they look like itty bitty rice cakes, but they have a little icing on it, like the little white icing. Oh, it's good. Really good. It tastes like cinnamon cereal. And I can taste the rice there. These do taste healthy. I mean, I don't mean that in a bad way. To me, healthy is good. Some people think, oh, it tastes healthy. Yuck, I don't want it. These are really tasty, y'all. I like them. This is something that I would buy. And this is something that I would buy. I really enjoyed this drink. So I've been doing this most every day. You know, if you forget about it, it's there the following day. It's not that big of a deal. So I got another box. And this box, you know, they all have been this, the other box was the same size, but was in there just those two things. This box I got on Christmas Eve, I want to say, because it was freezing outside. And this was in my mailbox. So, and my mailbox is, you know, a rural route kind of a mailbox. So when I opened it up, this box was called the holiday box. In here was this. So I have seen this drink before, and I was wanting to try this drink before. This is the brand Poppy, and this is prebiotic soda, raspberry rose. And isn't that just adorable? But look what happened. It was below zero outside, y'all. So, but I thought this can was the coolest thing, because nowadays cans are made in a different way. And they're like, why do they keep changing the can? Look at what it did. When it froze and it popped, it did not open this can. This can did not spurt all over my mail or all over the mail lady or all over my refrigerator or what, you know, sometimes you leave something in your refrigerator, one spot's too cold and it blows up. It didn't blow up. I was able to open it, and this is the drink here, and it's a fizzy drink, and it's really lightly flavored, and this only has 20 calories for the whole can. And it tastes like raspberry. Tastes like raspberry, I guess soda, because it's got a little fizz to it. It's tasty. I really like it. And then there's these products in here. So let me take them out. These are supposed to be samples. And they do have a little piece of paper in there that reminds you to go back. Don't forget to, you know, go back. And I can refer you. So I will have that information below. If I refer 5 people, they'll send me another box. So if you sign up, you will then have your own referral code, so you can tell all your family and friends about it if they want to do it. You know, I know some of us older people are afraid of apps, but you younger people, your grandkids will love this, and they'll get all kinds of free stuff. So look what I got. I got this Sheila G Brownie Brittle. Look at that, y'all. Let's open it up. I'm going to open things up, and we're going to see. Brownie Brittle. Doesn't that sound fantastic? So, oh, that's exactly what it looks like. It looks like dried brownie. It's really good. There's 120 calories in here. It's very nice and chocolatey. Oh, it's good. I was looking to see if it says thin, light, and crispy. See, now this doesn't say anything about being healthy, but yummy, delicious. And then this is high word, gluten-free, vegan, delicious, crunchy corn. Love corn. P.S. Find love in the little things. Sea salt. It's like count your blessings. So these are those little corn nuggety things that I love. And this little bag has 90 calories in it. It says delicious crunchy corn for on the go, for your lunchbox, crunchy topper. Oh yeah, these are good like on a salad. So these just look like corn kernels that have not been popped. Fabulous. I love, you know those corn nuts, remember, you know that brand? That's what these are like. And then look at this, y'all. This is a full-size item. Look at that. This is that same brand, Drizzlicious. Now, I've seen this brand before, and I believe I've gotten it in different boxes. This is full size. So this is 120 calories per cup. It's peppermint drizzled popcorn. Light and fluffy, white drizzled kettle corn with crushed candy cane. Okay? And it's a better for you snack, it says. So it's still, you know, got some calories and stuff. Delectable little clouds of perfection. Let's see what this looks like. And look at this nice bag. This one opens up and then it's resealable. So you don't have to worry about it getting stale. It smells like peppermint candy, of course, you know. Now, it's showing that it has red on it, but I don't see red. Let's see. Well, maybe a little bit. There's one with red on it. Let's see. No, I can't really. Anyway, it looks like popcorn, you know. And then it did say it was kettle corn, which means it's sweet. Oh, it's delicious. Ooh, delicious. Sweet. It says there's 4.5 servings in here. 4.4 servings. It's delicious. And see now, healthy-wise, popcorn, it says that there's a flavor coating. That's sugar and oil, different oils and things like that. So it's pretty natural. It has natural color. So it's manufactured in a facility that also processes milk soy. Okay, so you have to be careful of all the, if you're allergic to things, but yummy, it's delicious. Indulge guiltlessly. So I will tell you, these Drizzlicious items are fantastic if you ever get a chance to try them. Anyway, y'all, that was my fun video. I thought this was a blast. If you have an iPhone, try it. It's called Nosherie. I'll have the information in the description. And ask me if you have any questions, okay? And yeah, this was a lot of fun. So, oops, thanks for stopping by. And thanks for stopping by, Blue. And y'all take care. I've got to get this out of the way so he doesn't spill it. Bye, y'all. Take care. Count your blessings.